Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today to discuss the future of AI. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic situation, as a presenter, I can't see your faces in the crowd, and I pray that we'll get back to normal as soon as possible and see each other in the next conventions. We all understand the major role of technology in the pandemic outbreak. From population-based modeling to governance to the pursuit after the cure, technology is getting major investments in all sectors. We are seeing more and more services being digitized, and it's here to stay and to influence our future behavior. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Malka. I lead the Unstructured Data Solution team in Central Eastern Europe for Dell in the past 10 years. 10 years is a long time to be in the unstructured data solution world, and the journey that I've been taking with our customers and our partners from integrating traditional BI and analytics to machine learning and deep learning has been amazing, and I'm here to share with you today from my experience. So when asked why AI becomes such a hot topic today, I'm answering that it's a combination of forces. First to name is the data availability. As individuals, we are creating a lot of data. Data is out there for organization to learn, to predict, to adapt to the market, to change their products. And organizations are making heavy investments around it today. In fact, in the past 2 years, we've created more than 90% of the digital data existing today. So talking about the future, with the integration of IoT and digital chips in every tool that we are using today, data will exponentially grow. So talking about the future, big growth of data and more available data for sure. The second force is the availability of affordable compute. Today with Intel chip design and CPUs, we can get to a major performance. We can at a small scale test algorithms. And you don't need to be an enterprise organization who invests millions to build yourself a high-performance computing system to test your algorithms. What's going to be the future regarding computing? Well, we know today that physicists are harnessing the technology of quantum mechanics and trying to build a quantum compute. It won't be based on transistors, it will be based on particles in a superposition state. And the say is that a single system with few qubits can be stronger than all CPU that we have power that we have combined today in the world. Third force that I will mention is, of course, the bandwidth. We need to transfer data from point A to point B. We need to make fast decisions based on this data available. So technology today is allowing that, surely with the integration of 5G and other tools to improve it. But we will see the impact of quantum mechanics also in that matter, when physicists are claiming that we'll be able to show simultaneously data in 2 points of the world at the same time, of course. The fourth force, and maybe the most important one, is the development of the mathematics and the algorithms. Today we are teaching our computers how to learn by themselves, how to write their own algorithms, how to develop. And the set of tools created in the recent years for organization to integrate to their solutions and services is amazing, and it's continuing to available. So what we'll see in the future, little to no human intervention in some processes that we are seeing today. So all of this is creating a perfect storm that allowing and creating actually a demand from research facilities, enterprise organizations, and more and more high-tech companies that are trying to integrate and understanding the potential of predictive tools such as AI. Well, let me route back to the first force that I mentioned, and I think it's one of the most important one, the fuel of AI, the data. Data has become the capital of the organization, such as human capital, such as operations, such as contracts. Data is, some say, the most valuable capital in the organization today. In a world where digitized digitized services are determining the market share again and again, no organization should feel secure about its business. And you need to take preemptive actions to be in front of your customers and to better understand the market. Basically today, the expectation from organization is to respond to the market and to the customers very fast and be ahead in the thinking. So we need to make sure that we are enabling the organization on every level to support the organization to continue and grow. As we are digitizing more and more services, it comes with its own sets of challenges. We need to handle security, we need to handle data protection, we need to handle data governance and policy and regulation compliances. So what I'm seeing, and what I've experienced throughout the years, is that as customers maturing from traditional analytics to more advanced analytics, they will usually find that infrastructure that is designed and built to a certain analytics won't serve them for a different one. So traditional analytics operate on structured data and perhaps gigabyte scale. Machine learning is already getting to terabytes of data because of the training models that it needs to imply, and surely deep learning is getting even to a petabyte scale. So data is growing, and we need to allow the data to be approachable for the different models to run so we can get the right type of predictions. Make no mistake, in a world where more and more services are being digitized, it's determining winners and losers. No CTO, CIO, IT manager can sit comfortable in their chair thinking that their business is protected. There's challenges to any scale of organization today due to the changes and newcomers to the market with smart algorithms. So organizations are expected to react instantly, to react to the market, to react to the customers, and to take preemptive actions at a time. As we are growing and more services are becoming digitized, we see a new set of challenges. Data will continue to grow in organizations and they will continue to collect the data. Second is to consolidate all the data silos in the organization, because it's very important that the data will be available. The third thing that we are seeing a lot is, of course, to make the data approachable in any protocol. One analytic tool might use certain protocol, the other will use different protocol, and in many cases you will want to combine, so you need the same data to be approachable. Another issue is, of course, how to maintain the service level, how to solve the performance requirements. It's a different approach from one type of analytic and compute structure to another. Sometimes you need to solve some bottlenecks, and that all together with the knowledge that we are collecting from years of experience, we are architecturing a ready solution for you out of the box with enterprise grade level abilities. So to build production grade AI solution, Dell consider 4 key factors: performance, bandwidth, multi-protocol, data approach, and data tiering. The performance and scale capabilities of Isilon and ECS enable the enterprise to strike the optimal balance among cost, capacity, footprint, and performance. We have collaborated with leading partners in AI industry, such as Intel, Cloudera, NVIDIA, to ensure we provide you with the best sets of tools by joining engineering, service, and support. Thank you for being here today. Please approach your account executive or any of our certified partners to have meaningful discussion about your AI journey and the set of tools you're going to integrate. We will be happy to take part in this journey with you.